Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a shared album on iPhone. So if you have a group of photos you want to share with your friends and family, and I want to make this in form of a shared album so that everyone you share the link with will be able to have access to it, then here's a video for you. So here basically you learn how to create your own shared album on your iPhone that you can easily share with your friends and family. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now the first thing to do to make a shared album on your iPhone is go ahead and open the Photos app. Now once you open the Photos app, you want to scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you get to Album. Now if Album is missing, you want to scroll down the page, click on Customize and Reorder, and then make sure you turn on Shared Album here. You see that? So if Shared Album is disabled, make sure you turn this on. Once you turn on Shared Album, come back here, then you should see Shared Album. Now go ahead and click on Create Shared Albums. Once you click on Create, come here, give your album a name, and if your iOS 17 do not have shared album, you can just come here, click on Album, then you should see shared here. You can also click on Create under Albums, New Album to create a shared album. So whichever one you choose to go by, you'll still be able to make a shared album on your iPhone. So click on Create, give your album a name. So here, I'm just going to give this album this name. Then select all the photos you want to add. If the photos is on Collections, go to Collections. And if it is in Photos, just go ahead and select it. So you can select multiple photos at a time to add all these photos to your shared album on your iPhone. So just scroll through your photo library. So just select as many as possible photos and videos that you want to share. And then once you are done selecting them, go ahead and click on the Add button at the top right. Then you should see the photos here. Then if you click on the photo, then you can still add more to the photos by clicking on Add Photos. So after that, just go ahead and click on Create at the top right. Then you should see Publishing. Then your shared album will be created. If you click on the shared album, then you should have access to shared album like this. Then if you want to share this shared album on your phone, just click on three dots at the top right. Then you should see Share Photo, Shared Album Details. So if you want to share album details, click on this, then you should see your album details. Now to invite people to access your shared photos on your iPhone, just come here and click on Invite. Then search for the name of the person. So just come here, search for the name of the person. Click on Done. Then you should see an invite has been sent. Now once this invite is accepted, this particular person will be able to access these shared photos without even accessing your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on Done. Then you are good to go. So that is exactly how to make a shared album on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.